Okay, so there are a whole lot of mad people out there because Donald Trump won the election. How much sense does that make? Over all the years in the United States of America, we've always had a peaceful transition. People accepted the results. Now we have people wearing safety pins. We have people burning up things, breaking out windows, having protests, saying that they don't like it because their candidate didn't win. Well, hey, get over it. Get over it. Because we are now going to move forward. We are going to straighten out the mess that has been caused by the progressives and Barack Obama over the past 8 years. All we have to do now is work together to ensure that America will continue to be the nation that it was intended to be. What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that at all. So I say to all of you who don't like the results of this election, hey, it's too bad. It's kind of funny. You know, I want to laugh, but I feel sorry for you because you don't understand what America is all about. America is all about being great, pursuing your dream, being the best that you could be, not about disagreeing with someone and then making life miserable for everyone. That's not the purpose. Let's get it right. Let's stop the mess. And by the way, where is Obama? Where is Mrs. Clinton? Where is Harry Reid? Where are those leaders on the Democrat side? Chuck Schumer. Where's Jesse Jackson, Al Sharpton, and some of the other so-called civil rights leaders? Why aren't they asking these kids and the people that are just making destruction in our streets to stop? Now, let's look at it this way. Had Hillary won, Trump lost, and a bunch of conservatives went out into the streets, all you'd have to do is just protest and carry some signs, and they would label you as racist, they would label you as destructive, and they would label you as troublemakers. But hey, that didn't happen. It doesn't happen. And anytime there's violence, there's always a reason behind it. Mainly that these people are told to do so, they're giving marching orders, they're paid, they're bussed in, and then the trouble starts. Okay, everybody, let's wait and see what happens. We're in the transition period. Give Trump a chance. Give his administration a chance. Let him straighten out the mess that has been made in this country and make America great again. So long. Take care. This is Black Bart.